Yes, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are meeting in next lecture. It is the lecture on vector calculus, lecture number 13. And in perhaps in 12th lecture and in 11th lecture, we were discussing the applications on line integral. Before this, we have given you the idea what line integral is, what is its application, for what purpose we use it. Actually, it is fully used in physics and in other parts of the sciences. So we are doing here some applications. I will share with you one or two applications more, so that by today we may conclude the this applications on line integrals. We will conclude it by today in this lecture, and next we will be taking the surface integrals and its application. Gradually we will complete the vector integration. Well, you see, I have mentioned here some problems that we did not mention in previously. This is the force. It is not mentioned. We have to simply, we are given the force and we are asked to evaluate the line integral along the curve in xy plane y is equal to x cube, okay, from point 11228. It is the point on the curve. Then find work done by the force of this. I will share this next to this. Now let us have the solution of this. Solution of this problem number 1. I will again write what the problem is. It is given forces. We are given forces F 5xy minus 6x square I plus it is 2y minus 4xj. There is no z this entry and j because it is in the xy plane. Evaluate the double integrate. We have to evaluate double integral over the curve C. It is double integral f dot dr along. It is to be evaluated along y is equal to x cube in xy plane. Now from 11228. This is the problem. Now actually I have taken this, you can do it, you have done perhaps such problems that I have shared the different videos with this. I want to just give you a method. You can sometimes evaluate the integral in terms of both dx and dy. You can sometimes evaluate the integral only in terms of dx. You can sometimes evaluate the integral only in terms of dy. This I want to share with you. I want to give you some tidbits about this, how you go. So I have taken this question again. Now actually when you take the equation of the given curve, equation of given curve is y is equal to x cube. We don't need to trace here the equation, this curve. It will take time because for the tracing of the curve we have different concepts in mathematics. One is the tracing of these algebraic curves that comes in the heading differential calculus. If I share this videos in my channel about the tracing of curves, you will see there how we trace the curves. And second is the rectification and quadrature. In rectification and quadrature we give a little bit idea about the tracing of the curves, how we trace curves. Just to review this, some of you might have done the tracing. In tracing we need, the main thing in tracing is, it is shortcut method, SOAP. We need SOAP. So it is the SOAP you are using nowadays in the these pandemic days. This SOAP has the important application. Everybody says use the soap, wash the hands, and the manufacturers of soap have gained much nowadays because people are using nowadays soap maximum times during the day, washing hands with the soap, and they are satisfied that this virus will go away with the help of the soap. So let me introduce this. When we trace the curves, I want to just give you idea how we draw the curves, how we trace the curves. Here we need the symmetry. In symmetry we have 4 points: symmetric about x-axis, symmetric about y-axis, symmetric about opposite quadrant, symmetric about in all the quadrants. Symmetric about the line y is equal to x, symmetric about the line y equal to minus x when we have the symmetry. Then you have O. You test whether the curve passes through the origin. Does 0, 0 satisfy? Then you have A, asymptote. You see, does this curve have an asymptote? What does asymptote do? Asymptote gives you the idea, the infinite branches of the curve, if they run parallel to some line. What is that line? It is the asymptote. Sometimes the curve don't have an asymptote. Sometimes curve don't have an asymptote. It's not necessary every curve has an asymptote. It may or may not have, and that you will get its answer in the chapter asymptotes in our differential calculus. Okay. Then we have point of intersection. We want to see where the curve meets the x-axis, where the curve meets the y-axis, coordinate axis. So this is tracing. We don't need here tracing. If we go to the tracing of the curve, the particular shape of this, then it will take a time. So we assume that actually this curve is, if we go according to this is the curve which passes through the origin, because 0, 0 satisfies it. 0, 0 satisfies. It has no symmetry. Remember, because you have only, there is no even power of x, there is no even power of y, so you are not certain that it has any symmetry. Like parabola has a symmetry. Sometimes parabola remains parallel to this, symmetric about x-axis. Sometimes it is symmetric about y. If it is y square equal to 4ax, then you know it is symmetric about x-axis. If it is x square is equal to 4ay, then you know it is symmetric about this y-axis, so on and so forth. So this has no symmetry. I will assume, if you assume this way, since this passes through the origin, this 1 satisfies it. Yes, when x 1 satisfies this curve. And 2, 8 also satisfies. When you put x is equal to 2, you will get naturally y 8. So if you suppose that this curve goes like this, this is here 1, 1, this is here, suppose that this is 2, 8, the curve is like this. Now we are confined to find out the line integral of this. From this point to this point, we have to find out the line integral of this from 1, 1 to 2, 8. This is your curve. Y is equal to x cube. I have assumed its shape. I have not drawn its shape in a proper way because that requires many things to draw. So this is from the point 1, 1 to 2, 8. So this is a point on the curve. We have to find out line integral of this curve of this part. 1, 1 to 2, 8. Let us see, we are given, when we find out integral of C f dot dr, what is that? Integral. Our C is now this is our C. This path is our C. Say it is P to Q. Our path is, our curve is from P to Q, 1, 1 to 2, 8. Well, your f is, it is given by, right here, it is 5xy minus 6x square I, unit vector I, then plus it is 2y minus 4x j dot it is I dx plus j dy, not dz because it is in xy plane. It is mentioned that it is in xy plane. Note that the parts of, some parts of the curve may go to this in this other this is xy plane. This may go to yz plane. There is no this side. So I have taken this side, positive side, because he mentions positive side. 1, 1 to 2, 8 means it is along this path. Okay. Now this gives you integral C. This is your 5xy minus 6x square dx, as usual it is plus 2y minus 4x, this is your dy. This is your integral C f dot dr. This is the real position of this. We need this alpha. Now I will evaluate this integral. Actually I want to give you the you can evaluate the integral in three ways. Three methods I will describe with you here, and you will come to know through all the three methods you get the result the same. First I will write here method number one. In method number one, I will evaluate the integral involving both dx and dy. This evaluation of line integral involving both dx and dy. When you want to evaluate it involving both this dx and dy, but note that when I have to involve only dx here, means I have to replace y by its value in terms of x. I want to evaluate this in terms of dy only, means dy only, so it means I have to replace x by value of y from the curve. And for this dx, there x will go from here, from x will go from 1 to 2 and y from 1 to 8. You see evaluation along the line, along both dx and dy. Now you have equation of the curve. Given equation of the curve is y is equal to x cube. This is given equation of curve. Here you want to evaluate it in terms of dx. So you have here, what is your dy? Your dy is 3 x square dx. Means I am replacing where I have dy, dy, I am replacing that by dx. If I want to evaluate it in terms of dx, and I have to replace y by x cube. Okay, and what is the limit for this dx? For dx, when you evaluate it for in terms of dx, limit will be x going from 1 to x going from 2. X from 1 to 2. And for dy, let me come here. You look here. So your integral C, line integral C f dot dr is equal to integral of 5xy minus 6x square dx plus it is integral of curve C, it is another part 2y minus 4x dy. In the first method I have described here, I will evaluate the line integral involving both dx and dy. So I will keep here dx. So if I evaluate this in terms of dx only, that means I have to replace y by x cube. When you replace here y by x cube, the whole integral will be in terms of x. And what is the limit here? I will again write here, my point is 1, 1, 2, 2, 8 on the curve. So when I go through x, this is through x. This is through the value for x. X going from 1 to x going from 2. And if you evaluate through y, where we have dy, you have to take this range limit. It is y from 1 to y is equal to 8. So I will replace here y x cube. Now what about here? I have here gy, but I have to evaluate this second integral in terms of y. This is okay here. I have to replace there x. What is my curve? Y is equal to x cube. That means I will replace x is equal to y raised power 1 by 3. Is it okay? It comes in terms of y, and limit will be here x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. Here the limit will be y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 8. You see what happens now. My line integral becomes x going from 1 to 2, because I am evaluating this in terms of dx only. So this is 5x. From the equation of the curve, I am replacing y by x cube. Okay, this is minus 6x square. I will not disturb this. This is now your dx. Now second integral is, you want to evaluate this in terms of dy only, means I have to omit I have to replace their value of x in terms of y. So limit is from y going from 1 to 8. 1 to 8. This is your 2y, it is okay. Minus 4, I have to replace this x by y raised to power 1 by 3. This is your dy. This means I am evaluating this integral in terms of what? Both involving dx and dy. Well, I will write this equation number alpha here. I will need it again and again. I will write this equation number alpha here. I may be needing it. This is your integral c f dot dr. What is this? It is my integral c. This is 5xy minus 6x square dx plus 2y minus 4x dy. Let me write it here so that I can rub here. This is your alpha, equation alpha. Well, now you see, this is your integral 1 to 2. Now this is for x. This comes out to be 5x4 minus 6x square. This is your dx. Then plus, it is for this y limit 1 to 8. This is your 2y minus 4 y raised power 1 by 3 dy. Let us integrate now. This will be your 5 integral of x4 x raised to power 5 by 5 from 1 to 2 minus 6 x cube by 3. It is from 1 to 2 for x limit, then plus 2, it is y square by 2 from 1 to 8. This is minus 4 out. It is y raised to power what? 1 by 3 plus 1. Is it? It is 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 from 1 to 8. Let us simplify this limit. What is this now? What is this? What is this? It is your 5 goes. This is your 2 raised to power 5 minus 1 raised to power 5 minus 2. It is 2 raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3. This is for y. It is 8 to 2. Yes. Now for this we have 8. It is 8 square minus 2 goes 1 raised power 1 square. This is minus 4 into 3 by 4. This is your 8 raised power 4 by 3 minus 1 raised power 4 by 3. We have to simplify this now. What is this? It is 2 2s are 4 2s are, it is 32 minus 1. It is 31. This is minus 2. This is 8 minus 1. It is 7. And this is plus 64 minus 1, 63. It is minus 3. Now what is this? This you can write 2 raised to power, this you can write 2 raised to power 3, 3 goes. Yes, 2 raised to power 3, it is 2 raised to power 4. I will just write here 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 by 3. It is your 8. 3, it is 2 raised to power 4. It is 16. So it is 16 minus, it is only 15. It is 15. Let us simplify it. It is 31 minus 14 plus 63. 63 minus 45. Now you have this 4 94 minus 9 69. Now 14, take 9 from the 14, it is 5, and 6 from 8, Just look here. (31, 63). Yes, it is here 5. We have done a mistake here. It is 5 here. It is 35. It is 35. The result is 35 when we evaluate it along both dx and dy. This is the first method. You see, if we go only along dy or dx, method second, it is now up to you how you go. Evaluation of a line integral involving only dy. If you want to evaluate only dy, then only dx. What is my integral? It is this alpha. Line integral c f dot dr is integral c 5xy minus 6x square dx, then plus 2y minus 4x dy. What I want to do, I want to evaluate it in terms of involving only dy. When it involves only dy, my equation of the curve was, what is the equation of curve? It is y is equal to x cube. When I want to involve only dy, that means I have to involve y terms dy, and the limit for y is this 1 to 8 in terms of dy. So I have to replace dx by dy. You see, your dy is here, derivative, apply the differential method as you do. It is 3x square dx. Okay, that means I am getting I have to replace there dx by my, wherever I have dx, I have to replace dx by 1 by 3 x square. It is 3x square dx, 1 by 3x square dy. I have to replace dx by this. Further, I will be using the value of x. My x cube is y. That means I will write now x is equal to y raised power 1 by 3. Just look here where it goes. Is it integral c? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You will definitely get this 35. You will check it. I will write here, check your result. This is also 35. Check from this up to this. It is your 35. You should definitely get this as 35. Well, if you evaluate this in terms of case third, you will do it. Case third is evaluation in terms of dx only. There you will use your curve is y is equal to x cube. Curve is y is equal to x cube. In terms of dx, you have to use x is equal to y raised power 1 by 3. Use x is equal to y raised power 1 by 3, and you will use this your dy is 3 x square dx, x running from 1 to 2. You can do it, you will see that it is also 35. Well, we have now another question. Solution to norm second. You have to evaluate, find the work done to find out work done by force. It is F is 2y plus 3 I plus xzj plus yz minus xk, where x is 2t square, y is t, z is equal to t cube. This is the force. Well, you have to find out the work done. Given equation of the curve is given by, यहाँ you are mentioned here from, you have to evaluate it from t running from 0 to t running from 1. Range is given for t. How you go in this question? You are given parametric equations of curve are, one is x is equal to 2t square, then you have y is equal to t, you have z is equal to t cube. You will get dx here, it is 2t, it is 4t dt, you will use for dx, and x for 2t square. You have dy is equal to simply dt, and you have dz here 3t square dt. Use this dz. Therefore, your integral is now work done by the force. Thus, work done by force F is what? It is integral of over the curve C, F dot dr. It is integral of C. What is your F now? It is 2y plus 3 I, then plus xz j, unit vector j, plus yz minus x k. You have to take it as dot I dx plus j dy plus k dz. This is your integral over the curve C. This is 3y plus 3 dx plus xz dy plus yz minus x dz. Now this whole will take the form in terms of t now, because our x is, t is the parameter. Equations are given in parametric form. X is equal to t cube, y is equal to, x is equal to 2t square, y is equal to t, z is equal to t cube, and so on. Well, so work done by the force is integral, I will write settle the curve C given by these equations. Later on I will put it for t running from 0 to 1 given. Now this is 3y square, 3y. What is for y? It is 3t plus 3 what is your dx? Use the value for dx. Your dx is 4t dt. Then plus you have then xz. What is x? It is 2t square into your z is t cube. Okay. What is your dy? Dy is your dt, simple. Then plus it is your yz minus x. What is y? It is t. What is z? It is t cube minus what is x? It is 2t square. And now what is dz? It is 3t square dt. Now you can write this as, you can simplify this integral as, now this is integral t running from 0 to 1. Now this you can write, it is 12 t square plus 12t, 4 3s are 12t square plus 12t, then plus this is twice t raised power 5, this term, this is plus, this is your t4 3, this is 3 times t4 plus 2 6, then minus 6 t4 dt. Okay, I am doing correctly. This is t4 and this t square means t6. This 3 goes to the left side, and this is minus 3 2s are 6. It is t4. Now you can integrate it. What is this? It is 12 t cube by 3, limit from 0 to 1, then again from 12 t square by 2 from 0 to 1, then plus 2 t6 by 6 from 0 to 1, then plus 3 t7 by 7 from 0 to 1, then minus 6 t5 by 5 from 0 to 1. You will simplify this, simplify and check its answer. It should be, answer should be 288 by 35. It is result, you will see that it is result is 288 by 35. 288 by 35. Well, force is same, but the curve through which the line integral is to be, work done by the force is to be evaluated, now changes. Same force. This is the same question, part second. To find out work done by force, F is 2y plus 3 I xzj plus 4z minus xk along, it is along straight line, joining point is 0 0 0 2 2 1 1. So this is the straight line in, suppose this is your straight line in this not in this plane geometry, it is a straight line in space like this. Assume that this is your straight line 2 1 1. We have to find out the line integral along this line. Line integral is to be, no doubt you might have done this question previously. We write down equation of straight line, equation of given curve. What is our given curve? Straight line. How do you write the equation of straight line joining 2 points? I will write here, it is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. You know the equation of the straight line joining in space. It is x minus 0 by x2, you take 2 minus 0 is equal to y minus 0 by, it is your 1 minus 0 is equal to z minus 0 by, it is again 1 minus 0. So this gives you x by 2 is equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 1 is equal to t, say. Again you are in the previous form. That gives your x is 2t, y is t, and z is t. So you are doing this in previous way. Well, when you have x is equal to 2t, y is t, z is t, here you will get dx is 2t dt, dy is dt, dz is dt. Therefore, what you have to do in this integral, when you find out the work done, f dot dr, it is I have not first to find out the range for the curve. You will see how we find out range. You have to replace this equation of curve in this way. It is f dot, it will be 2. What is the value of y? It is t, then plus 3. For dx here, for dx you have to replace twice t dt, then plus, you have to go that part. This is xz dy, as you did previously in the same way. X is your 2t, and what is your z? Z is your t, and what will be your dx dy? Sorry, it is dt. Then plus, then you have yz. What is the value of y? It is t. What is z? It is again t. Then you have x, it is minus 2t. Then you have dz with this, it is dt. Yes, you perhaps know where I am using it. I am using it here in this line integral of c f dot dr. What is this now? Integral of c, it is 2y plus 3 dx plus xz dy plus yz minus x dz. I am using this here in this part. If you have any confusion when we find out the dot, as we did previously in the same question, the previous part. Okay, well, now we have to, you can easily evaluate this. It is 2t plus 3, take 2t inside, it will be 4t square plus 6t. You can do it. It is 2 into t, it is 2t square. Integrate this. This is t square minus 2t, integrate with respect to t. You can do it easily. Now there is the limit. What about limit? What should we take for the t? That is the question. You see how you go. Your x is actually here, your x was 2t, y was t, z was t. Is it clear? Just see, x by x2 minus 2, y minus, yes, by 1, z minus 1 is equal to t. Yes, it was x2t, yt, zt. Okay, now how you find out the limit for this integral? You see, your point is 0 0 0 0 to 2 1 1. When you have for 0 0 0, what do you mean? You will place x0 y0 z0 in this x0 y0, so you will get t0. Okay, when you take from 2 1 1, means you have to put x is 2t, y is t, z is t. When you put here 2t, t is 1. When you put t, when you put x, x is 2t, 1 and t, and this is satisfied for, this value is satisfied for t is equal to 1, because when you take t is equal to 1, x is 2, y is 1, z is 1, so it is 2 1 1. So limit is, limit of integration, I mean limit of integration here will be from x running from 0 to, sorry, t running from, t from 0 to, it is t from 0 to t from 1. So you will write the integral from t from 0 to 1. You will evaluate this and you find it is a result. Well, this was some applications. that I wanted to share with you, how to find out the integral. Simple, you want to find out the line integral. Now you can evaluate it in terms of dy only, dx only, or sometimes both dx and dy. When you evaluate in terms of dx, and the factor of dx should be replaced by y there in terms of x. And if you want to evaluate with the help of dy, if the factor of dy involves x, replace that x by the value of y obtained from the curve, and then you will find the value. And you have seen the value in both the cases comes out same. And with this I conclude this line integral, and next we will be meeting I will discuss something about the surface integral, and then it is application and so on. Thank you very much. See you next.